I'm not a person who's a habitual poster कि ये अब ये मेरी टी कप है और ये अब मेरे लिए कॉफ़ी बन के आया है और अब ये मैं केक खा रही हूँ, ये मेरी सीलिंग है. I cannot do that.
Hello, Ravina, and welcome to OTT. Congratulations on your debut. So, what made you think that this was the right time to, get into the space, and how has your experience been so far?
Well, I had been contemplating that and I had been getting quite a lot of offers. But I think when I read Kasturi Dogra, and I think I completely felt for her and fell for her. So that was something then I just had to do.
That's great. She seems like a really interesting character. Was it easy or hard to slip into the dialect? Because a few things that I saw, I realized that, it's intense and you're doing it so well. The mannerisms as well. The shift when she's talking to her kids, then when she's talking to, the other SHO. So how was that?
Well, see, it was a little challenging because we are so used to living our colloquial Mumbai life, and then you suddenly, there in the skin of this tough, intelligent, super talented Pahadi cop, who's completely raw and unleashes her fury when she wants to and she feels like, and she's ruling the roost there. So there was a huge difference in our personas, but. It did take a couple of days to get into gear, but then I think once I started really feeling for her, I think that was it.
The industry is changing so much, and definitely I think for the better. हमारे यहाँ हो रहा है, it's happening a little slowly, but it is happening.
Surely, yes.
Yeah. What excites you as an actor, as a woman in this field? How are you looking at these changes, and what excites you the most about it?
I think I can say from being an observer for so many years and being in the midst of it all, that it is definitely changing for the better. There is definitely a sense of equality, a sense of respect, and the contribution of women to cinema is also being recognized wholesomely today. So I think there is this entire change that we are seeing, which is a wonderful change and has been happening so since the past 10 years. So I am thinking and looking at a very, very positive change for our industry.
So let's talk about social media, because everyone wants to talk about social media. You've been there at a time and there was nothing, and now it's all, there's so much, right? Do you feel the pressures कि यार इतना post करना पड़ेगा, ये करना पड़ेगा, you have to always
वो तो
look.
pressure होता है, and I'm being honest about it कि यार post करते रहो, कुछ न कुछ डालते रहो. But the fact being that I only post again. I'm not a person who's a habitual poster कि ये अब ये मेरी टी कप है और ये अब मेरे लिए कॉफ़ी बन के आया है और अब ये मैं केक खा रही हूँ, ये मेरी सीलिंग है. I cannot do that. I cannot live in a glass bowl. But what is happening to me, what is exciting and what I want to share with my well-wishers and my friends out there on social media is something that I really from my heart want to share or I enjoy doing, and that's what I share. And I think it's a boon in a way, because here is this direct contact that you have with all those people out there, and this is something you want to put forth. It's all there for everyone to see.
Do you think that because social media gives you such instant reactions, do you think that the audiences demand so much from celebrities, even as actors on screen as well as off screen? And is that daunting for you? Do you like it that it's instant?
I think it's amazing that it's instant, and also that healthy criticism is always welcome, because I think the learning never stops. You're constantly learning. Every day life is a lesson, whether it's in your professional field or it's in your personal field. So I think that kind of criticism is definitely welcome, and you realize, okay, this is not what I should probably do. But but it's not that you can एक इंसान की सुन के you change your entire thing. It has to be a majority that works towards it, and then you really feel, okay, if this is what I've done wrong, this is how I have to correct it. But unnecessarily trolling and just being unkind to people is something that I have never been. And I feel it's only those really sad people out there who've got really sad lives, who probably are unhappy with their own lives, that they start being unkind to other people. So that's why when I pray to God कि सबको खुश रखो यार life में, ताकि everyone can live and let live.
I agree. That's a beautiful thought. On that note, I have a fun little game for you. And
Great.
It's a rapid fire, but I call it Jungle Mein Mangal because
I
look
love
at
that.
where
That's
we
my
are.
favorite film also. Have you ever seen that film? You must be too
I
tiny.
think, it might have.
But
might
what
have.
a fun film it is. It even had Mahmood Saab in it. So watch it. It's a great comedy.
I will definitely. Right. Okay, so first question. Ravina is शहर की लड़की or prefers the Aranyak?
Aranyak and Jungle Mein Mangal.
Jungle Mein Mangal. That's great. If you had to spend a night in the jungle, what are the 3 things that you will bring with you?
Oh, I just need one haversack, one extra change of a T-shirt, and probably an insect repellent. That's it.
Perfect.
Nothing more.
And agar chances...
And a camera.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, perfect. और अगर network होगा तो it's even more awesome.
No.
नहीं?
Nahi, I have to go and switch off my phone whenever I'm in the jungle.
That's nice. That's nice.
My passion is wildlife photography. So whenever I take off, at least thrice a year I'm in the jungle. So whenever I take off, I make sure my phone is off. And then if it says, अरे phone off था, मैं वो क्या बोलूँ, network ही नहीं था यार, मैं तो phone off कर देती हूँ.
बढ़िया है. If there are chances that you might get lost, who's that one person that you would wish is by your side to figure out the road, बाहर जाने के लिए?
Obviously Anil, but the problem is, as usual, like how men are, they'll never ask for directions. They'll think they know it all. तो हम लोग घूमते ही रहेंगे, घूमते ही रहेंगे, घूमते ही रहेंगे.
और जंगल में पान वाला भी नहीं होगा कि उसको पूछ सकता है रुका के.
Exactly.
And finally, if you had your phone with you and you could keep one film or one show on it that you could watch, what would it be?
I think for me it would either be Padosan or Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi.
Wonderful choices.
Yeah.
It has to be a comedy because then you can watch it
It
again.
has to be a comedy.
That's great. Thank you so much for talking
Thank you.
to me.
It was a
This
pleasure
is
talking
great.
to you.
I'm very excited to watch the show.
Thank you so much. I hope we live up to your expectations. We worked hard. It's a labor of love.
I think this is a learning curve for everyone. So
Thank
it's
you.
exciting. And I want to see more of you on OTT because it's such an equal platform for everyone and
Thank
interesting
you so
roles.
much. Thank you so much.